So to continue, I remove the 0 here. So I will need to replace that 0, so it will be 1061. I press enter. Okay, so if I just click on this activity, I click on activity ID, it will just align 1060 1061. Okay, so I can proceed by clicking here. Under this, I select this, finish to start. I click on hydro test, I select the next one here, which is coating and tagging. I click on coating and tagging. I select the next one, which is background. Okay, so this is briefly how you can. Let me close this. So I stop here. I'm stopping here currently. How do you know where you stop? You find out that it has only predecessor, it don't have successor. So I will close this box because I will use another method to do it. So before I reschedule, so you see the impact. Let me explain. In our last class, we discussed about critical activity. So we say, what is critical activity? Watch. This is a critical activity now. It's in red. You can see them in red color, while you see all these ones in green color. So if I schedule now, it will not tell me the ones that are still in critical activity, if these ones have changed or if they remain in critical activity. So I will just quickly schedule just to see the impact of what I've done. You see everything now is in critical activity. That's just the impact of my schedule, what I have actually linked. Okay, you see where I stopped. So now I want to use on that method, and that method says if I want to link everything here, finish to start, I don't need to pass through this process. I click the first one here, I click this one as the first one, I click this as the first one. So I scroll down to the last one I want to link, which is what I wanted to link. I select, hold down my shift key, and I click on handover. Everything will be selected. I will quickly right click. Remember, before it was not linked. That's why you see all of them here. They are just lying on the start date. You see where the link is stopped. Okay, and that's where I selected. So I right click here and I select link activity. So if you watch now, line have gone across them, which simply means that I've done them finish to start. Okay, then if I do schedule, everything will automatically tell me. And in this, at this point, it will not tell me my original finish date. So if you check now, my original finish date in all these WBS, if I minimize all these WBS, I can now be seeing my start and finish date. You can see them. Each of these WBS, May 1st to July 28th. You see this one, April 1st and April 15th, which is under general. Procurement start on 11th April and procurement finishing June 6th. June 6th start mobilization and August 2nd finish mobilization. So basically, this is what you are going to see each time you do the appropriate linking. So my mobilization seems to be too much. What happened? Okay, okay. So not a problem. So I just minimize this. I can open it by right clicking and I said expand all. If I do expand all, everything will open. I can also do collapse all. It will collapse for me. I can use the level to figure it out. So this is basically how to do your linking. In the next tutorial, we are going to look at how to create activity and how to assign activity.